Good morning to everyone. Today we will discuss oxidations of carbonyl compounds. Now what is oxidations? Now oxidation means addition of oxygens or removal of hydrogens. Now another definition of oxidation means losing of electrons or loss of electrons. In oxidation, we observe single bonds to double bonds or saturation compounds is turns to unsaturated compounds. Saturation compounds is turns to unsaturation compounds. In this syllabus, having only one oxidation reaction, that is Baeyer-Wilger oxidation. That is Baeyer-Wilger oxidation. In Baeyer-Wilger oxidation, the carbonyl compounds is turns to esters and lactones. That means aliphatic ketones to esters by using Baeyer-Wilger oxidation, and aromatic ketones is turns to lactones by using Baeyer-Wilger oxidation. In Baeyer-Wilger oxidation, reagent is peracids. And peracids such as metachloroperbenzoic acid or trifluoroperecetic acid. All peracids is one of the reagents of Baeyer-Wilger oxidation. Now in reagent formation, the carbonyl compounds like ketones is treated with peracids such as metachloroperbenzoic acid or trifluoroperbenzoic acid to form esters or lactones. The product is depending on the reactant. Now we take butanol. What is this name? Butanol. The butanol is treated with one of the peracid like perbenzoic acid in the presence of acidic medium to form ethoxy acetate. Listen, these are the carbonyl functional group. The carbonyl functional group is turns to ester functional group by using Baeyer-Wilger oxidation. Now let us write suitable mechanism of Baeyer-Wilger oxidation. Mechanism of Baeyer-Wilger oxidation. Now you take the reactant butanol. Now butanol is treated with in acidic medium. The acidic medium gives H plus ions. Now in oxygen having two lone pairs of electrons, one lone pair of electrons is abstracting these H plus ions to convert oxonium ion. CH3C double bond O H, and oxygen having positive charge, and C2H5. Now this oxonium ion is unstable when compared with carbonium ion. Now this reaction is involving in reversible reaction. Now listen. This carbon oxygen bonding shifted to oxygen side to nullify positive charge, and carbon having positive charge COH and C2H5, and carbon carrying positive charge. That means this oxonium ion is turns to carbonium ion. Now this name is tertiary carbocation. Now this tertiary carbocation is treated with peracid like perbenzoic acid. See double bond O H. And listen, these 3 oxygen having lone pair of electrons. Now, this oxygen having also lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons is involving in resonance. So, does not involving another reaction. This oxygen also having lone pair of electron. So, these are freely moving. Now, this lone pair is adding or new bond form in between oxygen and carbon. Now, the product is CH3COH and C2H5. And listen, this oxygen and carbon is involving in new bond. O and also O and C double bond O, and this carbon having phenyl group. This oxygen also having positive charge because the valence is 3. Now this OH bond is shifted to oxygen side. This oxygen positive charge is nullified by the elimination of H+. Now the compound is CH3COH and C2H5 and O, C double bond O and phenyl group. Now listen, this compound is involving in rearrangement. Now group migration is observed. Group migration is observed. Now this methyl group is migrate from carbon to oxygen. This methyl group is migrate from carbon to oxygen. Immediately this OO bond is broken. This bond is shifted to oxygen side. This oxygen carrying negative charge. Now the product is CH3COH and also this bond is shifted to oxygen side. So O, this oxygen is new bond with C2H5 and also this carbon carrying positive charge. And the byproduct is O minus and O, C double bond O, benzoate anion is observed. And again this carbocation positive charge is nullified. This OH bond is shifted towards carbon side. This carbon positive charge are nullified by the elimination of H+ ions. Now the product is CH3C double bond O C2H5. Now alcoholic functional group is turns to ester functional group. Now listen, you take ketone functional group. The ketone functional group is converted to ester functional group by using peracid reagent. Now what is this name? These are ethoxy group. Now ethoxy acetate is observed. The byproduct is, now listen, these are benzoate anion is abstracting these H+ ions to form. The byproduct is benzoic acid is formed.